Welcome everybody. Hope you're having a good trading day and a good trading month. With November coming to an end, we have had quite a rally, and I'm taking a look at SPY's chart right now, and I want to say from the end of October, where things were taking a downtrend, we've actually bounced. These last 4 to 5 weeks have been insane with the recovery that we've had on SPY and the overall market, and this is historically what is to be expected. Usually we do bounce anywhere from October to November and December. Obviously we have the Santa rally, but I just want to talk about my personal thoughts as to where the market is going next, maybe some potential position ideas that I'm going to be entering soon. And again, this is not financial advice. Please take this with a grain of salt. This is for entertainment purposes only. Obviously, I have to give that disclaimer. But I've been trading in the markets for 5.5 years, and I just wanted to share my insight right now on SPY and some of the other symbols as to where we are currently at. So, at the moment, we obviously have risen, right? We've bounced all the way from like 408 up to 456 without any stopping in sight, right? We've had no more rate hikes announced for the rest of the year. Obviously, we've had the Santa rally. Inflation's cooling down a little bit. So there are a lot of factors that are currently pumping us up. However, I don't think we're out of the neck of the woods yet because mortgage rates are still at an all-time high. Treasury bond yields are also not doing too hot currently, and inflation hasn't gone anywhere. Inflation is still currently a thing. So, and I know that the economy is not the market. I understand that. And we have strong consumer sentiment and strong consumer spending, but there are no more stimulus checks to save us. So there are bullish and bearish cases for both sides. And regardless, I'm just going to get into the technicals very briefly right now. So at the moment, where do I see SPY going? I mean, I see that we can probably touch 460. Maybe we can even go a little bit higher, right? But if I zoom out, and we're definitely oversold on the RSI. But if I zoom out and I'm looking at the daily chart on the 3-year time frame, we have an all-time high of about 480, right? So can we break above 460? Yes, I think if we break above 460, which is the previous high here and even kind of covers this high here at 461, we do have more room to the upside. The next major resistance, or the final resistance, is going to be at 480 itself. So I think that if we break above 460, we have more room to the upside. However, I also think that we can reject strongly here at around 460 and continue pushing back down for a retracement and then a move back up, or a push back down and a continuation back down to retest 410 and 400. So it would be yet to be seen, but basically 460 is going to be my big level, and I'm going to wait to see how we react to that. If we can break above 462 with strength, I'll be looking to enter some calls, maybe about a month or two out. Now, if we reject off of 460 and we kind of push back down, but to 450, 449, I'll be looking to take a long-term put position. I want to say with February or March expiration date. Excuse me, I misspoke. Because I think there's a good shot that we have some gaps to fill, primarily right here. There's another gap here. If I zoom in, you guys can see the gaps on the daily chart here. So we have a lot of gaps to fill to the downside. So definitely I'm a little bit more bearish leaning, but I like to not let my biases take over my trading, and I like to just take what the market will give me, and in that situation I'll make my decision, right? But at this point, 460 is my main key level, and I want to watch it and respect it in order to figure out what's going to happen with SPY next. Now, another main driving factor of SPY obviously is going to be Apple, right? And Apple, on the same chart and the same time frame, we've hit a high of 198, and we're also testing highs again right now too, right? 192, we're up here. So again, if SPY comes up to that, 260 level, that'll be equivalent to, 193, 194. And if we reach all-time highs, that'll be equivalent to Apple's all-time highs as well. So I'm definitely going to be closely looking at Apple and seeing how Apple reacts to these levels. And if we can come back down and retest these lows down here on Apple to confirm my put entry, which we definitely have some strong support here at the 180, 181, 182. This is always a pivotal level for us, as you can see historically back over here in March of 2022. August 2022, and around this area as well of December 2021, where this was broken resistance that has become support now, right? So long story short, if we break above the highs on Apple, I'm going to obviously be quite bullish. But if we can kind of come back down and get below, these 181s and 180 level, then I'll see where SPY's at and make my decision there. QQQ obviously as well. So I always track Apple along with SPY when I'm making my long-term decisions for my put entries or my call entries for swing trades. And yeah, that's kind of it right now. I'm just watching these major levels. Right now we're in a weird spot in the market where we've bull flagged up and now we're kind of just chopping here, right? And we're deciding to see if we're going to break above higher, which this rally has been nonstop and insane, or if we're going to break below and kind of stay within this range, right? This range of 455 down to 420 or so, right? So are we going to break above and reach highs, retest highs, or break above those highs? Or are we going to stay within this range? Or are we finally going to feel the effects of, everything culminating together and, come back down to new lows, which would be new buying opportunities? So we will certainly see, you guys, we will certainly see. But right now, this is my analysis for SPY and Apple. If you have any questions in the comments, please write me. If there's a specific ticker symbol that you want me to go over, please write it in the comment section, and I'm happy to take a look for you in the next weekly recap. Just a little something else that I want to show is I do want to show the Discord server. It's full of traders just like you and me, and we have for beginner traders the trading education section. This section is completely free, 100% free, and it goes over videos starting with topics like how does the stock market work, what causes stocks to go up and down, what are options, so if you're very new to this channel is all the videos that I've watched, as well as some audiobooks that I've used personally to improve myself as a trader and to basically be where I am at today. So this is completely free. So is the stocks chat, where you can chat with other traders and just kind of bounce ideas. Obviously we have a profits and testimonial section where I always recap all my trades for the week. As you can see here, this is the win percentage and the total amount of profit. As you can see this week here as well, we hit another insane week. And the traders in the group will post their profit here as well. And the only thing is that we do have a VIP section, which if you're a beginner trader, I don't recommend worrying about that. But if you're an experienced trader and you're interested in some signals or callouts in the VIP section, you get 7 days free with me. So definitely consider signing up and just seeing how you like it. And if you don't make money, don't sign up. After that, it's only $40 a month. So if you don't make $40 with me within 7 days, then obviously I'm not worth my salt and you don't have to sign up any further. But we definitely make more than $40 pretty much every day. So yeah, it's definitely worth checking out and taking a look at if interested. And here's everybody who's joining the server pretty much almost every single day. We have traders joining pretty often. Don't know what that is. But we have a lot of traders joining pretty often, so definitely check it out. Leave me a comment in the description if there's anything that doesn't make sense, or that I said that, you know, doesn't make sense. And also, again, feel free to ask for any other analysis, and I'm always happy to help out. So yeah, once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.